See, man, we got them nooks right there. Yes, sir. We just finna do the front. See it down on this side. Shit, man, these beats right. Man. What'd you say?
Clean up what you fuck up. Just like the Tad Money does. Clean up what you fuck up. It's a life lesson.
You heard that, motherfucker? Yeah. Man, we finna go and start lifting it, boy, man. But, man, y'all like, comment, subscribe for real, though, man. It's your boy, Topic. So, as y'all see, man, we got 2 rows. We got the bottom row right here, which is crossing each other, and we got the top row, which is crossing each other. So, man, these 2 gonna support each other, and these 2 gonna support each other when that weight compress. I know y'all be wanting to sit high, but you gotta do it right. You'll be riding down the road, you gonna hit a bump, then you like, why the fuck my car sitting sideways? Get on with it. Since he out here. No, I got you. Look how that thing sitting, y'all. Oh, look at that lip. Put your HIDs on. Oh, that's the thumbnail. Man, what y'all tell me what y'all think, bro? Y'all tell me what y'all think, bro.
Hey, that bitch sits right, bro.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you, bro.
Hey, bro,
Man, that bitch hard, bro. That, bro, it's so hard, bro. It's like a different car, dog. Yes, sir. 1 down, some more to go, man. Come on, bro. Just regular lifts, dog. You feel me? Come on, boy. So y'all do all them lifts. Got my shit lifted, you feel me? Boy, that skirt make that thing just slam, boy. Bro, it's amazing what a lift will do to a car, dog. Yee! Hey, bro, I'll clean it up, bro. You good?
I know you can.
Yeah. Hello. What you think about it?
Finna see how I ride this.
High ride.
Tell them folks real what you
That was up, man. Man, y'all, hold on. Y'all see this squat on this bitch, though? Hold on, I gotta get. Man, come on, bro. Appreciate the business, bro.